We'll guide you through how to get and play Minecraft Bedrock on a Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Minecraft Bedrock is a version of Minecraft. It's also available on mobile and on consoles as well. So when you play it, it means you can go and play cross-platform. So to go and get it on a Mac, it's not natively available, but we can go and use another app in order to get it. So what you need to do is head into the description or the pinned comment and go and click on the link. That's going to bring you to Parallels. Parallels allows us to go and run Windows on a Mac, and so we can run Minecraft through it. The link down below is an affiliate link which supports the channel and no extra cost to you. So you can go and click on buy now and get it and go and install it. We've got a full guide on it, but it's pretty straightforward. After you've gone and installed it, we can go and open it up. I already have it here. I'll just go and resume it. And so what we can do is go and open up the store at the bottom. Let me go and click on it. Go to the top and click on the profile here, and you can go and press sign in. Go and sign into a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create one. If you already own it, make sure you sign in using the account that you go and own Minecraft on, which I did. If you don't already own it, don't worry. Head to the top and you can go and click on the search bar and go and type in Minecraft, like so. Minecraft Bedrock comes with Minecraft Java, so you need to go and own Minecraft Java to go and own Minecraft Bedrock. Go and search for it and you can find it. You can go and see here it says owned, as I've gone and purchased it before. Otherwise, you can go and purchase it now. Then after you've purchased it, we can go and press install. I can, as I already own it. After you've downloaded it, we can click on search at the bottom and go and type in Minecraft and go and open it up, as you can see. And now I'm playing Minecraft Bedrock on a Mac. Let me just go and create a new world and show you it. And here we are, I'm now playing it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.